English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're very happy to have you with us today.
Today's topic is something people ask all the time.
Yes, today we're talking about weekend plans.
Questions like, what are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
After today, you'll be able to answer these questions naturally and confidently.
Let's start with a simple idea.
Weekend plans are things you want to do on Saturday and Sunday,
They can be big plans.
or very small plans.
Both are okay.
Let's start with very easy sentences.
You can say, I'm going to relax this weekend. I'm going to stay at home.
Or, I'm going to visit my family. I'm going to meet my friends.
Listeners, repeat after me. I'm going to. This weekend,
Quick grammar tip.
We often use going to when we talk about plans.
For example, I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to cook dinner.
This shows the plan is already in your mind. You can also talk about when you will do something.
For example, on Saturday, I'm going to clean my house. On Sunday, I'm going to relax.
Very simple and very useful.
Now let's learn how to ask questions.
You can ask, what are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Listeners, repeat. What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans?
Okay, Daniel, let's show a simple conversation.
Emma, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to relax and watch movies. What about you?
I'm going to visit my family.
That sounds nice.
Important reminder.
Your weekend plans do not need to be exciting.
Staying at home is a plan.
Resting is a plan.
And simple English is perfect English.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. This weekend, I'm going to. On Saturday, I'm going to.
Great job.
Okay, Daniel, let's be honest.
Uh-oh.
Most people don't want a busy weekend.
Exactly. After a long week, people want to relax.
So you can say things like, I'm going to sleep more. I'm going to relax at home.
Very popular weekend plans.
Other examples, I'm going to watch movies. I'm going to read a book. I'm going to clean my house.
Cleaning is a plan, but not a fun one.
True, but it still counts.
Weekends are also about friends.
Yes, so let's talk about making plans.
You can say, I'm going to meet my friends.
Or, I'm going out with my friends.
Or a very common sentence, I'm hanging out with my friends.
Listeners, repeat after me. I'm going out with my friends. I'm hanging out with my friends. Important lesson.
It's okay to have no plans.
You can say, I don't have any plans.
Or, I'm just going to relax.
Or, my favorite, I'll see what happens.
Very natural English.
Good conversations need follow-up questions.
For example, what are you doing this weekend?
Then you ask, who are you going with?
Or, when are you going?
Or simply, that sounds fun. Let's show a fun conversation.
Emma, do you have any plans this weekend?
Not really, I'm just going to relax.
That sounds nice. Are you going out?
Maybe, I'll see what happens.
Best kind of plan.
Let's fix some small mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I am going watch movie.
Correct sentence. I'm going to watch a movie.
Mistake number 2. I will going to relax.
Correct version. I'm going to relax.
Small changes, big improvement.
Repeat after me. I'm going to relax. I'm going to meet my friends. I don't have any plans.
Excellent.
Here's a fun tip.
Add a small feeling.
For example, I'm going to relax because I'm tired.
Or, I'm excited to meet my friends.
Very natural. Before we finish today, let's say something important.
Your weekend plans do not need to be exciting.
Staying at home is okay.
Resting is okay.
Simple plans are real plans.
Many learners think, my weekend is boring.
But English is not about impressing people.
It's about sharing your life.
And your life is interesting, even on quiet weekends. Now let's listen to a full example, slowly and clearly.
Listen first. You can repeat later.
This weekend, I'm going to relax at home. On Saturday, I'm going to watch movies. On Sunday, I'm going to visit my family.
Simple, clear, natural.
Now let's listen again, a little faster.
Don't worry if you miss a few words.
This weekend, I'm going to relax, watch movies, and visit my family.
That's how people really speak.
Here's your challenge for today.
Talk about your weekend plans in 3 simple sentences.
You can talk about Saturday, Sunday, and one feeling.
Speak out loud if you can.
If you feel shy,
That's normal.
confidence doesn't come from thinking.
It comes from speaking.
One sentence today is progress. If you are watching this video,
It means you are serious about learning English.
you are improving,
You are building confidence.
and we are very proud of you.
Now go to the comments.
Write one sentence about your weekend plans.
For example, I'm going to relax and watch movies.
And if this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
we post new English conversations every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.